Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at how we can embed a video within our publication. So first thing you want to do is upload your video to your media library and hit add new media asset. Select video under asset type. Let's choose our file. Hit submit. And this could take 30 to 60 minutes to convert right here. So we're going to wait for that. Alright, so now once your video has been converted, what you want to do is go to your My Publications folder, hit this plus icon here, go to your Media Manager, and add an internal placement. Now we're going to add our video to, let's see, page number 3 here. Let's just add it right here. Let's call it video. And I'm going to select manual play. Hit save. And let's go back to our My Publications folder and see what we have now. Alright, here you have your video. If you click that, and there you go. That's how you embed a video into your publication.